Crystal clear highs, clean cut mids, pulsating bass. Harley-Davidson Boom Audio Stage 1 and Stage 2 sound systems deliver the powerful boost you've been craving. If you're looking to upgrade your sound, Boom Audio Stage 1 achieves it. Each pair of two-way speakers is single amplified, using 2 channels to deliver a total of 150 watts of power. Designed to deliver a balanced frequency response from rich lows to crisp mids and highs. Whether you're out riding or hanging with your friends, you'll notice a big improvement in both volume and clarity. If turning it down isn't an option, Boom Audio Stage 2 is for you. Each pair of 3-way speakers is bi-amplified, using 4 channels to deliver a total of 300 watts of power. Each speaker has 2 dedicated channels, one for the woofer, which gives you that bass you can feel, and one for the mid-range and tweeter combo, giving you the mids and highs that are crystal clear. This massive boost in power allows you to increase your volume without distorting the quality, and kick the party up to another level. Boom Audio components are built to perform the whole ride, rain or shine. And because they're designed specifically to fit your Harley-Davidson motorcycle, you'll sound as good as you look. Get more from your sound 0 to 60. The experts at your local Harley-Davidson dealer can help you create the custom sound experience you've always wanted.